This is the brand new tablet from OnePlus, the Pad 3. Let's unbox this premium Android tablet together. This is the model that's going to replace the OnePlus Pad 2, which was a more scaled down mid-range tablet. This time around, they're going for high end. You'll find the safety guide and a quick user setup guide inside of the box. You'll also find a power cable and a charging brick. Very rare to find that included in a tablet these days, but OnePlus has done it. This is a really powerful tablet. It comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. The color only comes in one option, which is unusual for OnePlus, but this color is very nice. It's called Storm Blue, by the way. The tablet has a 13.2-inch display, and it is very thin and very light. Now, this display is a little bit different than usual aspect ratio, 7:5, which makes it easy for having multiple apps open side by side to multitask. But even though it's big, it is very thin and very light, so it's very easy to handle. It's just under 6 millimeters thick. One of the new accessories that comes out alongside the OnePlus Pad 3 is this new smart keyboard. It is a very good productivity tool. However, as you can see, it has like a kickstand style keyboard, so it's a little more tricky if you want to balance it in your lap, but very well suited for a table. The stylus is not included, but the stylus is a fantastic accessory. I think one of the best writing experiences I've had on a tablet is with this one, thanks to the sensitivity and the little bit of haptic feedback you get when you're drawing or writing. And then for gaming, this tablet has a very powerful Snapdragon processor in there, and that screen makes your games look gorgeous. That's a very quick introduction to this new tablet from OnePlus. Make sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think, or hit me up with your questions.